UPnDown Limited announces a new and revolutionary generation of walkers that provide mobility for disabled people and elderly people. The walkers born in UPnDown's laboratories add a new dimension of safety and independence to the life of the disabled. The UPnDown Walker, a revolutionary mechanical device that helps physically disabled people to maneuver up and down stairs and to walk safely on flat surfaces. Two models are presently available, the WS1 model and the WS2 model. Weighing only 8 pounds or 4 kilograms, the WS1 UPnDown Walker is easy and safe to use. Just lift it to the next stair, lean on the yellow handles, and climb one step at a time. A climbing style that fits your physical abilities and preferences can be adopted. The WS UPnDown Walker has a simple dynamic form and a minimum number of connections. A new type of built-in braking system automatically operates on all 4 casters when the user leans on the handles. To go downstairs, the black pair of handles are used. The walker is easily rolled down to the next step. By leaning on the handles, the automatic braking system is operated and you can safely go down to the next stair. Remember, the rear casters should always be attached to the inner wall of the stair. The new walker is very light, folds, and is easy to store and transport. The WS1 UPnDown Walker combines a 4-wheel walker with the advantages of a rollator. There is no need to lift the walker while walking on a flat surface. The walker has a comfortable seat, enabling the user to rest periodically. While sitting, the automatic braking system enables a safe and stable rest. As an accessory, beneath the seat, you can attach a small bag for personal belongings. The maximum recommended weight is about 6 pounds or 3 kilograms. The WS2 Walker was designed for people having the physical ability to change position before and after climbing stairs. While going upstairs, hold the walker behind you leaning on the yellow handles. While going downstairs, place the walker in front of you, using the same yellow handles. When reaching the floor level, change to the black handles for walking on the flat surface. The walker will stop whenever you lean on the handles. Now you can have a rest. The WS2 model folds by a simple one-touch command. Both WS1 and WS2 UPnDown walkers are available in 2 sizes, small and medium. Both have height-adjustable handles. Both walkers are available in a wide variety of colors.
Now we can see the second generation of the UPnDown Walker WS2 that looks the same as the first generation. The use of the walker of the second generation is the same like the first generation. The yellow handles are used for up and down climbing, and the black handles are used for walking on flat surface. The difference between the first generation and the second generation is the size of the casters that are more suitable for outdoor use. The aluminum frame of the WS2 Walker, the new version, are wider than the first one because they are maintained to be used for outdoor purposes. Also, the automatic braking system is wider and bigger than the first generation. In the future, the walkers will be equipped with extra security pedal brakes.
And now to UPnDown's second exciting product, the Everyday Walker. The friendly companion of every temporarily and permanently disabled or elderly person. This product may even be used by the casual shopper. The Everyday Walker combines a four-wheel walker with the facilities of a rollator. There is no need to raise the walker while walking on flat ground. The walker enables the user to walk indoors without lifting it and to walk outdoors safely and independently. The walker is equipped with a built-in fail-safe braking system which is automatically operated on the rear casters when the user leans on the handles. The walker is constructed from strong, lightweight aluminum pipe, weighing only 6 pounds or 3 kilograms. It is easy to fold by a simple one-touch command and easy to transport. A comfortable seat allows you to take an enjoyable break during your walk. The Everyday Walker has two optional accessories. A bag attached to the walker to carry personal belongings, and a basket used as a carrier for shopping and other purposes. The Everyday Walker comes in two sizes, small and medium, and has height-adjustable handles for personal comfort.
And now we shall see the second generation of the Everyday Walkers modeled WP2. The new walkers are wider than the first generation of WP1. The walkers are wider and they have an extra security pedal brakes. In addition, they have a comfortable back frame to be used as an accessory. The walkers are equipped with a larger and bigger wheels if we compare it to the first generation. The second generation is more suitable for outdoor use. The first generation is suitable for indoor use. There are three basic types of the new Everyday Walker. In this picture, we could see two of them. The first one is equipped with a swiveling front wheel and it's called WP2-1. Second is equipped with a fixed front wheels and it's called WP2-2. The third walker, WP2-3, has, instead of rear wheels, it has a cane with the rubber tips, and it basically should be used by people that cannot use the rear wheels of the walker. And now to the other accessories. The walker is equipped with an arm handle that should be used by people that are limited with the regular handles. The operating of the braking system starts when the user leans on the arm cushion. Leaning on the arm cushion activates the braking system and it stops the wheels and the walker from moving. When infusion is needed, there is no need for the heavy-wheeled metal structure anymore. As we can see, UPnDown's latest development solved the problem by inventing a combination of a regular handle and an IV pull.
Everywhere you go, UPnDown's walkers will accompany you, providing just the right support and assistance.